So hi everyone, we are recording this to the cloud. It will be available to you if you wish. And definitely our Joel looks like a Bollywood hero. So
Really?
and he doesn't see in fact the Bollywood movies. So
Mm,
basically
I'm a
he doesn't
Malayali.
know. Yeah, he's Malayali. He doesn't know much of Hindi. So
Yes, yes. But
it,
I
it will be
understand.
our.
But I understand.
Oh, you understand. Otherwise, it might be our privilege to speak in Hindi and you do not understand.
Mm,
So anyway, today we are going to celebrate, Joel's, what you can say, engagement or marriage, whatever we can say. The celebration we are going to do. So anyway, can you guys, be attentive to this if possible? Show your cameras or
yeah.
show your face if possible.
If you're comfortable, please do turn on your cameras and your microphones as well, because what we intend to do is like an interactive session. So there is no barriers. You can just come up and speak. In the meantime, like let them join, rest of them. So if you can just turn on your camera, it would be great. Okay, one person came up, Aryan. Hi.
Hey, Aryan.
Hello, Dasalsal. Hello, Joel.
Hello. How are
Hi.
you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah. So
Mansi.
seems, yeah, Saurabh has left.
Hi.
Yeah, hi everyone.
Hi,
Hi,
Mansi.
hi, Mansi.
Hi, sir.
Hi. So we are having this session with very few people, so that we can provide quality content to a very few people, and we are building some quality content.
Hey, Joel, tell the truth, man. You have invited 13 and people has not joined.
I
Don't be a
hide.
salesman.
These people, when we provide something for free, they don't come.
Yes.
We
So,
have to charge
so
them.
tell the truth. There is no need to hide anything. That people has not came. Yeah. And
Okay, they
people has
like
not came because of Circle of Legends. People has not came to attend your marriage and
yeah. So okay,
Bandhanji is
there is
here.
one person coming. Yeah,
No, Bandhan
I'm
is
getting people.
no. No, Bandhan is
Hmm.
she is one of our esteemed uh, member.
Saurabh is here.
Yeah, who is going to
Saurabh is
guide
here.
us.
Back. Saurabh is back. Actually,
Namaste,
Saurabh
Bandhanji.
got
Namaste, sir. How are you doing?
Yeah, doing excellent.
So there's a bright sunny morning that I can see right behind you.
Yeah, basically, I have done a goof up. I was
Okay.
thinking that the meeting is at morning 8:30
Okay.
Mexico time, so it is at 8 p.m. India time.
Okay.
So I gone for a brief walk, and then it is
Okay.
not possible for me to go back. So that I have
Okay.
decided that okay, let me take this meeting from garden itself.
Yeah. But you're really lucky and we're envious because in India, right here in Delhi, it's not that sunny.
Oh,
yes.
okay. So in Mexico, like in the morning you can enjoy the sun, but in the afternoon it becomes so like sharp and burning. So you cannot go
Oh,
out in the afternoon.
Mhm.
okay.
But in the morning you can go have enough vitamin D provided
Yeah.
by.
Yeah.
Darshan sir have this habit of going for a walk every morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. He,
Yeah.
he's a multitasker.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Really, he.
So see, right now he's walking and he's attending this meeting. Not many of us can do that.
True. And it's fun. I basically I'm a nature lover. So even I have prepared one story about growing this one pomegranates. So in the
Okay.
morning I have seen pomegranates. I have made a story also on that.
Okay, and I think it's very gratifying. It's just like rearing your own babies when it comes to growing plants and saplings.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So can we start then now if we have enough people?
Yeah, sure, we can go
Okay,
ahead.
so let me start with a small story about offering something for free. So the nature, the God has given us so many things. Hi, Saurav. So given so many things for free, and we do not ask any question to the God, neither to ourselves, that why I am given oxygen for free, or why I am given water for free, which I can take a bath or wash my clothes and wash my utensils. But we happily go and pay for the water which we get in bottle, because we want our health to be maintained. That's why we go and pay, and we do not say thank you for it. Neither we say thank you to God, because we think that it's an obligation of God to give us all these things for free. So similarly, it happens to the community, where there are several peoples are available there, starting with our Bill Gates. He gives half or even one third, two-thirds of his wealth back to the community. But he has, his intentions are also many times questioned by so many esteemed journalists or so many magazines. Similar happens with our, founder. I work for Tata Consultancy Services. So Ratan Tata also gives his net income back to the charities and foundations. Over there, he is been acknowledged, that yes, he is doing something good. But at the same time, do we acknowledge the small contributions which our people are doing? Have you ever said thank you to your teachers? As Bandanji is there, she will also tell something, at the end on the same topic. So uh, we have lot many things to do, but we forget just because we take it for granted. Even today, Joel, has a tough time inviting 5 to 6 people, and many of them were doubting that why on this earth, on this planet, somebody comes and gives something for free. They must be having some hidden agenda, some hidden objective, yeah, or they want us to do something for them. And the moral of this story is, we do not want even thank you.
Yeah.
We just want people to grow and help others. If you are convinced, go and help others, not to us. Okay, so with this, I would like to conclude, and let's move to our main topic, which is
Okay.
your GD. So
Mhm.
those who are, going to take part in the GD and have selected the topic, be ready. Joel will give a brief introduction about what we are going to do. So Joel, it's over to you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so we have almost 4 candidates on board who are participating for the GD. Well, to the people who doesn't know what we are a non-profit organization, TCOL, the Circle of Legends. We are a community. We desire to connect and network with people for the very purpose of mutual growth. So that, let me admit one more person into the board. Okay. So in case if you have one particular skill, and if a second person want to learn it from you, we provide a platform for that. So we connect people for the purpose of networking and learning, and we have a bunch of events which serve this very purpose. We have LinkedIn events with specialists and experts from the industry, domain experts. We also have LinkedIn events, live sessions with successful candidates, I mean graduate candidates who had earned scores in various exams and made it to top organizations. So we are providing a story from which you can learn from. And among these events, this interview preparation event is to help you people find a better job by being job ready. I know you are all graduates from some reputed organizations, and you have some expectations about the organization you are going to work for, right? So there are also expectations that these companies set for you, and if they find these expectations within you, they will take you in. Okay, that so what we do here is we make you job ready. So there are certain things that company look for. We try to find that things in you. If it's not there in you, we'll try to point it out so that you can be better. You can work on it and improve yourself. So our agenda for the day is we'll be having a group discussion over which we'll be throwing one certain subject at you. You have to discuss on that. You can come up and speak, brainstorm and discuss on. You can point out people from the board and ask them for their opinion. So basically it's a discussion between 4 of you candidates, right? Okay. discuss on it, and our mentors will be observing this, and they will be giving feedbacks on on this discussion, and we will be selecting one best candidate who will be given an opportunity to for a mock interview, both HR and technical, with industry experts, industry domain experts, HR with HR people with about 16 or 15 years of experience, and technical too the same way, like reputed organizations. Experts from the reputed organizations will be taking your interview. So to get that one, you have to earn it. This is the time you have to earn it. So be actively participating in HR interview. The group discussion. Then you can earn it. Okay. All said. I hope everything is clear. Okay. And for an active participation, for the sake of active participation, if you could please switch on your videos and microphones, it would be great. Okay. Darshan sir, hello. Hello.
Yes. So I'm showing the green signal. So let
Okay.
the show
Okay.
begin.
Okay.
Let everyone start with the topic.
Do you want to throw a topic at them?
No, it's okay. You select or any one topic from yourself.
Okay. Okay. Great. Just a second. So. Okay. So this is a scenario. A company fired an employee, as a result of which the other employees went on a strike. The question is, why do you think the company fired that employee? Okay, so you can build a story of your own. You can come up with your own perspectives, and you can throw light on your perspective about employees coming to for a strike against this move of the company. So you can throw your thoughts about this, brainstorm, discuss. Okay, here we go.
So, hello.
Yeah, hello, Purohit.
Go on.
Yeah, is this audible enough?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So, I would like to say that the company have fired the employee. There might be a chance that the qualification and skills will not be up to the updated, or there might be a chance that he have done something which should not be done. Means the strategy communication or the ethics, there might be a chance. This one will be the one point, and the other point will be if the scenario is due to the COVID-19, then the company might think that due to the forecasting analysis of the company's profit, so they might think that the employees might not need it that much. So so this will be I would like to add up in the end this
Sure.
will be a chance that from the company side.
So Mansi, kudos to you. I think you are first candidate who is getting selected. Already you are selected out of this GD because you have taken that initiative of initiating this. So this matters a lot. Okay. With these brief
Yeah.
words, let's move to others. Yeah.
Okay.
So this takes a courage, to initiate any conversation.
Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
Go on. Like everyone can add to this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, Mansi is here. Well, I don't directly agree with you. I'm not contradicting you. But the thing is that if the employee is having lack of skills, which you said, then why would the other employees go on strike? First thing. Second thing, if it's the case of COVID-19, then I don't think so company would hire any employee. And if it's because of that, employee will go on strike. So I'm not convinced by your facts. And what I would like to put forth is that there may be a chance that he or the employee who get fired may have whistleblowed against the company, first thing, or he could have asked or demanding company for certain things like ambience or hike in pay, which was backed up by other employees, and when the company fired him, they all went on the strike. So I think this might be the reasons.
Okay.
Your turn, Mansi.
You have said that the people from the employees, why they have gone on strike.
Exactly.
So I'm quite confused in this.
Is
Darshan
Bandhan
is saying something and his mic is off.
here?
Yeah.
Bandhan?
So I'm
Yeah,
little bit
I'm here.
convinced. I'm convinced with the point of view of Aryan that
Thank you, sir.
somebody, if he's been loved in the organization, then only people will back him up, or else he is the goon. He's the don of the company. Then people will promote him or support him because he is having a political affiliation. Yeah, let's move. Let's move on.
Piyush?
Okay, so
got it.
So if
yeah,
suppose example, for example, Mansi is not able to add on to what Aryan is saying, I think the other people can carry forward with the GD. They can carry forward from where Mansi stopped or where Aryan stopped.
okay,
Piyush?
I would like to add something.
Yeah. So that
Am
is
I
one
audible?
thing you need to keep initiating and you need to keep going ahead with the GD. It shouldn't stop. So if the other person is saying that she doesn't have much to add to it and she's slightly confused, first of all, she was courageous enough to accept it. That okay, I am kind of confused. So the other people can take the ball into their court and they can continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
You are
Am
Piyush.
I
audible,
audible?
Piyush. You can continue.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I have 2 points. First thing, um, I agree that when a company has fired. Okay, so I would first like to present my case. What could have been wrong? What could have been wrong with the employee? So my take is that it's an assumption case. So the employee was a male and he asked for a paternity leave, and not many companies still have a proper paternity leave policy. So they have denied that. But he was in a particular, urge to, he has family urgencies and dedications towards his family. So he went for that, but his boss said, no, boss, you can't do that. So he just fired him. And that's totally against the policy. It's right that you don't have a proper policy or set of regulation for such thing at first place. But of course, if such thing pops up, you should, come up to that. And I just want to add something which Aryan mentioned about the whistleblowing. So whistleblowing, if anywhere it happens in the company, the person is usually anonymous. So it's really, really, really rare that the person's name would pop up in the public domain. So I think that wouldn't be such a case that a company would get to know about who was the employee who leaked those details, and they will fire him later. So that's what I had.
That's what I was going to say. But what if they know? Like, see, even if you have access, companies also have their access. They can know who is whistleblowing against them via a third party or via the organization. It doesn't matter. They can know. So, first thing. Second, what I would like to add on is okay, it's fine with the family issues, but another issue that I think is yeah, the employee who got fired was maybe he or she may be a union leader or something. It may be the issue. It may be the reason. Like even if you are the leader or the head of a team, they will directly fire you and put the blame on all the team. Like what happens in the organization nowadays. So maybe the reason, right?
I will also like to say something. There might be other case. Hello.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So there might be a case that as an employee, he might be working so much and he's not getting the salary which he has expected. Like as an employee, he's dedicating 9 to 5, 8 hours or 12 hours for a job. As a human being, also he's dedicating that much time, and he's only given 10,000 rupees, and also he has the qualification skills he has. But still, that amount allotting that much time to your job and also still not getting that much salary, and also due to staying in a Mumbai expensive, it's very expensive, so there might be a reason he might have given for resign. I don't want to work in that
A take on
company.
this.
The case
Yeah.
is not employee
Yeah.
giving resign. It's about firing him.
Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted
That's
to say.
So
that's the
There's
point.
certain
And
That
he
amount
leads
of
may
to
have demanded, yeah, he may have
yeah, but
demanded a hike
that
in
leads
pay, which was backed up by other employees, And since the company fired him, all employees went on the strike. This may be the case.
That leads to a yeah, thank you so much. But that leads to a lack of motivation in the work, which indirectly the company doesn't get the company also has an expectation from the employee. When he works, when they allot some work to the employee, then there has an expectation that they want the project has to be successfully implemented, the collaboration with the other company. That leads to a lack of motivation as an individual, which reflect to the company's work. So that's my point.
Okay.
So
Then
Piyush
I'm a
had
bit-
something to say.
yeah.
You told you had a take.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
Piyush,
Piyush.
you're audible.
Hi, this keeps. Yeah, I think so I have a few cents from the this whole topic about about a fair pay and a contribution. So when we're talking about the current HR sphere, whether it's a small startup or whether it's a large MNCs, every company and their HR personals have identified this thing that your people are the most important asset, and when they are recognizing the fact that most of your team is not with you, like most of them agree that they should be paid more. I think no HR wouldn't be in such a foolish fear to not agree to the demand. He would at least have taken that thing to at least a person higher up level. You should at least have passed the hierarchy. And if I am an HR team and I told that guy, okay, see boss, you have a problem. See, I am here just interacting with you. I can't just take immediate action on it, but I have passed that. So even the person who is demanding that money could have at least agreed, okay, it's the demand has been moved up the hierarchy, and maybe they will act. So if this thing was there, maybe they don't want to strike.
yeah, totally right. I agree with you.
I'd like to agree with you, Piyush, and very good. But yeah, you're right. You're correct at your point. But the thing is, you cannot directly go and confront with an HR. Like, yes, sir, I have this problem. I want a hike in my pay. You you will what pass on this info to upper management, and they'll raise your pay. That's not gonna happen at all. So
Perfect. So I think we are going as expected. I think it's very healthy discussion. As we have very limited, like 3 people, we might have extended this up to even half an hour or 1 hour discussion. I encourage you to use Zoom for these purposes. Yeah. So utilize it. Utilize up to maximum. Collect your friends. If not friends, make friends on LinkedIn. Those who are completely unknown to you, coin a topic, do a healthy discussion, build your mental muscle so that you can be successful in your GD. Yeah, these are my remarks. We do not want to take it further. I would like to have remarks from Bandhanji, and then I think we can conclude with a promise to meet again. Bring your more friends, those who are interested. If you want to do it more frequently, I may try to come, but it's an assurance that I will wish to bring more and more HR people. I have given list of 25 plus HR leaders to Joel. They can only join, but if there is a bigger group. So it is your responsibility now to convince people that there is something good happening for us. And obviously it is for free. And the free is not just like a free. Yeah, it's not free chocolates,
It's an
which are just given to the kids. These are the something valuable which has been given to professionals, and it is definitely not a chocolate. Yeah, sometime I will scold also. So Bandhanji, over to you.
Yes. So during this entire course of GD, I have put down a few of my observations, and I would like to convey the same to all the participants here. Thank you, Darshanji, for permitting me to do so. So the very first thing, just as Darshanji said, I would like to, kind of add on to that, that the future belongs to those who believe in building their skills and keeping abreast of the times. So as just mentioned right now, it's the time when you hone your skills, keep honing your skills, keep abreast of the times, because If you don't upscale and upgrade yourself, believe you me, you don't stand anywhere in the near future. So it's really, really important that you keep, continue on to the space of learning new skills. Number one. Now, coming on to the GD part of it. So, if I were to say, when you are into a GD, please make sure that you perform kind of all of these roles that I'm going to be putting down. Number one, be, an initiator. Just as we had Mansi, who tried to be an initiator, and in this entire process, she created that first impression. The minute she started, Darshan sir came on to the screen and he appreciated her. While it's not possible कि सभी लोग, they keep initiating the discussion, but see if you know about the topic, try to be an initiator because that makes you come across as a good leader through the entire course of the GD. So when you are into a GD, make sure you are performing a whole lot of roles. अब इसमें से how many roles you can actually take up? The more number of your roles you can adopt, the better it is. So you have to be an influencer, you have to be a leader, you have to be an initiator, you have to be a collaborator, you have to be a moderator, you have to be a summarizer. See, when you guys completed with the GD, none of you actually went ahead and paraphrased the whole thing as to what are the various points that we have come up during the course of this GD. So that's something very important because that is how you conclude a GD. So one of you should have taken up that responsibility that this is what we've come up with. These were the various points that were raised during the time of the GD. So then you should be a facilitator, you should be a concluder, and last but not the least, you should be a value adder. But when I say you are adding value, it has to be value addition to the GD. Just don't speak for the sake of speaking. Whenever you're speaking, just make sure that you are adding a whole lot of credential to your statement by giving proper reasoning or by stating some kind of a case study. Just be more self-aware about what is happening. Now, as Joel sir has just now given you a topic, which was a hypothetical situation pertaining to some kind of a business model or something, there are a whole lot of other topics also that you might get something to do with politics or sports or a controversial topic, though normally they don't go into controversial topics, but you may get those. Entertainment, journal awareness, business models, conflict resolution situations. So just keep reading. I think reading is the best solution if you really want to perform well as far as a GD or for that matter, even an interview is concerned. So anywhere you go, be it public speaking, be it landing up a good job, you must keep reading for your own self-awareness so that you get across more and more ideas. One last thing that I would like to say is while it is not a good idea to use what is called a technical jargon, बहुत ज़्यादा technical terms use करना is not a good thing, but do work on your vocabulary. It shouldn't be very plain and simple. Keep using anecdotes, keep using quotations, keep using some good slogans, and again all these would come through reading only. So as they say, good readers make good leaders. So if you really want to lead and you really want to do well in a GD, just make sure that you are reading a whole lot of stuff around you. So keep yourself aware. Even if it is reading some kind of a blog or an article, I'm not saying go ahead and read novels. If you don't have time to read books, just go ahead and read some productive novel, something which adds value to your existing set of skills. So that's exactly the reason why I'm sure you all are aware of the NAP 2020. And that's precisely the reason why NAP is talking so much about critical thinking, higher order thinking skills. So all these things will come to you automatically. So having said this, I think, last thing, don't always make a contradiction just for the sake of it. A group discussion doesn't mean that you have to always contradict another person just for the sake of contradicting. So it is also a possibility that I think just say Aryan at one point of time you contradicted one person and on the other hand you added on to what the other person said. So perform both the roles. So that way he performed these roles very well. He contradicted at one point of time and at the same point he added on to what the other person was saying. So you can perform both the roles. So I would say it is more of a tightrope walking like situation. You have to keep a balance. So that's really, really important. So I think that's just about it. I think Darshan sir, these are my observations and these are my suggestions from what I heard during this short span of time.
I think
Thank you, ma'am.
this
One
been.
request.
Yes, please.
One request. Yeah, ma'am. Can you give the personal remarks of, since we are just three of us, you can point out our pros and cons.
Okay,
What was good in me, what was bad in me, what was good in
see, I
Individually.
wouldn't say there's anything bad in anyone. Everyone did it, give it their best shot. Yes, there is always room for improvement. Even if I were to talk about my own self, I'm not 100% perfect. There is always room for improvement for myself as well. So similarly, I would just like to say, Piyush, for example, please make sure you need to participate more. Just come out of your shell. See, no one is going to hang you for something. It's just a GD at the end of the day. And let me tell you, when it comes to public speaking, there is this little thing, because I am a communication and life skills coach myself. So I would just like to tell this thing to you people, that when it comes to speaking in front of others, now this is a fear of speaking, and this is called glossophobia. And as if you would go and search on the internet, you will get to know that it is the number one fear. The fear of death comes and ranks at number 2. So the very fact that it is the fear of speaking which ranks the highest should give you some level of solace and comfort. Ki bhaiya theek hai, we are not the only ones who are afraid of speaking. Everyone is in the same boat and everyone is scared. Even Darshan sir sent me this link. I had just finished with my classes. Thoda sa initially there are butterflies in my stomach also. I don't know kya hone wala hai. So I was here for a preview. So मुझे भी डर लगता है, ऐसा नहीं है. Even though I've been into this field for like 20 years now. So number one, Piyush, for you, the only thing I would like to say, आपने एक या 2 point रखे, they were very substantial points, but you should have spoken more. और बोलते, we would have got to know more about you, more, we would have got to learn and gain more knowledge from you, and we want to learn more from you. Okay, so just keep
And
it that way.
I would like to add
Yeah.
to that, like the
Yeah.
points mentioned by Piyush was really, I
Yeah.
sound like it sounded more, logical to me
Absolutely.
within the group. Yes.
Yeah.
Was
Yeah. So that's why I'm saying, I mean, if he would have spoken more, probably we would have
more,
got so
yeah.
much from him. So
Yes,
you
yes,
gave
yes.
1 point, but that 1 point was like it struck the hammer. It's like, the last blow of the hammer always yields results. So that this was the kind of impact that your point had. Now coming on to Mansi, it's a good thing that you started off, as Darshan sir said and mentioned. It's a very good thing and takes a lot of courage to be a leader in a group. But just I would like to mention that you need to work more on, self awareness. What are things that are happening around you? One point which none of you mentioned, I think it should have been there, the manner in which it was communicated to the employee that he has been fired. I don't remember the name of the company, but in 2017 there was this company which fired 400 people, and when they fired them, they just sent a plain email. There was no personal face to face interaction, and they all went in for a strike because there was no human connect. So read more about case studies, and this was one point which none of you took up. I don't know why, but किस तरीके से बंदे को fire किया गया है also makes a difference. So if he was not fired using the right mode of communication, then probably there could have been a
Right.
strike or something. So that is about Mansi. Mansi, just keep it going, but you need to work on your pointers. You have to sound more confident about what you're speaking. Then coming to Aryan, Aryan, you performed, as I mentioned, you performed this role of, contradicting at one point and adding on to the other. That is something that I liked. But when you're contradicting someone, I just want you to validate it with a whole lot of reasons. Just don't contradict for the sake of contradicting. So you tried your level best to contradict it with a particular reasoning, but वो reason उतना strong sound नहीं किया मुझे. So I would look forward to more ideas, look forward to more self awareness, and as I said, just जैसे सर ने भी बोला, Zoom meetings करिए आपस में, have an exchange of ideas. एक last चीज जाते जाते बोलूंगी, when it comes to communication, जो सबसे low और average लोग होते हैं, they talk about people. When it comes to mediocre people, they talk about events. And when it comes to super intellectuals, they talk about ideas. So be in that topmost third category. Talk about
Perfect.
ideas,
Talk about ideas.
right?
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So that's
yeah, that's great, ma'am. I think even before a couple of days, I have posted about Emmy. Yeah, Emmy Jackson. Emmy from, I think, Emmy Wilson or Emmy Jackson. That
Amy Jackson.
yeah,
Amy Jackson, I think, must have been
yeah.
Amy Jackson.
So she has said that an idea whose time has came. So these ideas about talking with each other, networking with each other, the idea has came. Its time has came. Guys, let's come out of our one same
Cocoon.
college, same family, same friendship cocoon to make everyone part of our own community. Let's have a LinkedIn as one community. Let's make n number of friends who are like-minded, join with them, and do a value-added work along with them. Like before 2 weeks, me and Bandhanji were not knowing each other, and
Yeah.
now we are complementing each other. We are collaborating with each other, and we are planning and ideas, or we are implementing ideas for a betterment of others. And while doing that, our betterment is de facto. Like
Absolutely.
today, I learned 10 different things which I might not have learned if I have told Joel, Joel, cancel this because it cannot be, accommodated in my schedule. I'm in a garden. I will be walking and I'll be doing this. I will look, odd that, oh, I am attending it from an open space. So the ideas or the flexibility has no limit. Be flexible, be available, and put your 100% or even 120%.
So
Do
just
not,
be educated, be empowered.
yeah,
Yes.
do not let Arnab Goswami or Sudhir Mishra or anyone else consume your time. Do not allow Netflix to consume your time free of cost. In fact, you are paying them money and then you are consuming. Do not allow Inox or any other movies to consume your lot of time. Yes, entertainment is required, but
Use
you should
Telegram.
not become entertainment. Yeah,
Yeah.
so be,
Yeah.
come out of that entertainment era. Be an entertainer for yourself. Make money out of it. Be money minded in that term, like every minute or a second or an hour which you spend is not going to come back. Sometimes you lose money, you might earn them back, but your days which have gone, I think your 4 years of engineering and 2 years of post graduation may have gone and you cannot bring them back. Now whatever you have is your future. Own it, get maximum out of it, come out of time wasters. The time wasters are n number of time wasters, and biggest one is the one which has been given by our lovely or our our own Mukesh Ambani, that is Jio. You get distracted at every 10 minutes by a WhatsApp message. I normally do not prefer to use WhatsApp. Even we were using WhatsApp for our own internal communication, which we have stopped from November 1st. Because when we send our important communications to our members, they remain attentive to the cell phone. And when they remain attentive to the cell phone, they attend to other events and other calls and other messages also, which ends up in net loss of attention to the required important thing. So by overcoming the time wasters, I think able to achieve much more in life. Associate yourself in a good company. And I will be proudly saying that the Circle of Legends is one of that, which provides the services, focused mission of learning and collaboration. We don't have any other agenda in our plate. Come, learn, and collaborate. So if
Sir,
you are open for this idea, join this idea. Yes, Joel.
Sir, we have Kiran on board. Kiran. Hi. Hi, Kiran.
Yeah, hi Kiranji.
Yeah, hi, Joel. I think I had another call, so just finished and jumped in here. So I just heard Darshan speaking, and thank you.
Hi. Would you like to share something with our candidates?
Yes. So what Darshan said, I echo the thoughts. Create your own value. There are. Do not be a source of entertainment for others. Right? Do something for yourself. I'm actually reading nowadays Atomic Habits, so I would just say that make 1% improvement every day. And what happens that when you even do a very simple thing, say very very minimal thing of instead you get up at 8 instead of getting up at 7:55, and follow a schedule of say 15 minutes of journaling your thoughts or making a plan of the day, or maybe writing a gratitude journal, or maybe exercising. Stick to that. And then when it's just about consistency and not about the perfection. If you think you can't get up at 8, get up at 9, but keep your consistency there until it gets into your subconscious mind. And when you are applying for a job, just prepare yourself very well. Do a lot of research on interview questions. So I'll just give you a power hack. Amazon has put in a lot of question answers in a video format. Trust me, they are the bible for interviewers. And if you do that, I think I haven't seen, even from a leadership perspective also, any situation or thought falls beyond that. You prepared and master it. I wouldn't say that you have to mimic the answers, but it broadens your horizons. So just add value to yourself every day, so that you do not have to really prepare, and the automaticity comes into you. These few words, I think I can really add more, but over to you guys. This is just my starting point. I heard you guys for like 10
Yeah.
minutes only.
Okay.
No problem. I think thanks a lot for adding such a huge value. And I think this is just a beginning. And we will be having this one more often, probably once in a week or once in a 2 weeks, based upon the engagement of the people.
I'll be happy
I
to
have
contribute. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I have kept my video on because I'm walking back to home. I have to start for my other activities, but I am really thankful to both Bandhanji and Kiranji for sparing time to have, an overview of how we are conducting these sessions. And we would love to have involvement from either from you or from your colleagues, because I know time is much more valuable for each of us. So based on your availability, if you can, donate some time.
Sure.
And I ask this donation as
Sure,
a
sir. It will be
donation.
a pleasure. It's a pleasure, and it's really humbling as an experience to be here amongst
Yeah.
young leaders, our
Yeah.
future leaders.
True. And I'm sure, even if we give something to a deserving person, he never forget, in his life. So while here we are giving somebody a job skill, so definitely, people are going to remember and remember us for good, for long. So let's have this.
Absolutely.
Let's have this spirit of giving alive, and I'm sure we all together will be successful and will achieve a big, higher purpose each day.
Very much so, nicely said, Darshan ji. Just to add, for a self, if a speaker has to see what's in it for me, so I would say you grow by developing on others. So that's in it for the speaker, or I would consider it that by interacting with young minds and so-called donation, I'm just selfish because I want to learn from young leaders as well.
Very well said,
So,
Kiran.
so at last I have reached home and I have connected with
Yeah.
my charger. So thanks a lot. I think if all of us can make the camera on, we can say adios, that is in Spanish, and
Okay.
hasta luego, that is see you soon, or let's meet.
Yes. Once again, thank you
Sir,
everyone
before
for
that,
joining. Okay, go on. Hi.
before that, I would really like to thank you to all Bandhan ma'am and Darshan sir for giving this opportunity to all of us. We are really thankful, and also the feedback. I will surely improve on that.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much.
lot. So I hope we all will be connected. And last but not least, if you have felt convinced, do write your remarks on the Circle of Legends page and encourage people to join with us, because the good word needs to be spread. Like
Right.
you may have seen even ant. If they know there is some sugar there or some jaggery, good pada hai, so within 10 minutes, there
Yeah,
will be thousands of ants over there. So
absolutely.
be a leader who communicates there is some good thing is over there, and let other people join. It is not mandatory that you talk nice about us, but it's good if you can talk good about us.
Yes. So as a
Yeah.
conclusion, Kiran ma'am might be confused a little bit, like it's ending soon. Actually, we started at 7. Since I know you weren't informed about that. Sorry about that. But we started at 7 and we are towards the end of it. And for the candidates, we'll be sending you a feedback form. Please do fill in it. And also, if you can recommend two candidates each for our next event, that would be great. Like spreading the knowledge. So you are part of it and you know how it feels. So I hope you all took the essence from Bandhan ma'am, Kiran ma'am, and Darshan sir. So let's wrap it up. And thank you all of you.
Thanks a
And
lot,
before we leave,
Kiranji, once again.
Thank you,
Kiran, I
my
like
Thank
your
you.
virtual background.
Kiranji, can you introduce yourself?
So my name is Kiran Tandon. I carry over 18 years of experience in the HR space, and I prefer to be known by my own identity than the logos of the companies I have worked for. In my own personal capacity, while I work for as a global HR head for Loyalty Prime currently, but in my personal capacity, I run a lot of campaigns wherein I help people in preparing them for interviews. In preparing them their resume, or maybe developing people's personal brands. And so I think the background reflects to it's my personal brand. While there are oceans of candidates, when I focus on my personal brands, I shine. So that's the essence of the background. I'm
That's
sorry,
why I said I like it.
I mean, casual, sir. Like, I just jumped on the call I saw and I messaged you. I had another call at 7, which apologies, which got conflicted. But yeah, happy to contribute here. And I am pretty vocal to share my views, and I don't mind if somebody comes and say you are wrong. And if there is a value I learn, even if somebody comes, you did not write it correct, and yeah, there was a spelling mistake. Sure. That's all for me. I think Joel has written to me. I am yet to respond to his messages because I get almost 100 messages in a day. Darshanji, I could reply to you. My task to reply for Joel is scheduled for Saturday now. I respond to everybody who writes to me. So the key is that. So feel free and never lose the spirit. I would still say just make a minor change. Over the year, you will see the from where you started and where you have gone. Trust me. It's the power.
Yeah, thanks a lot, and we are humbled to have people, those who are ready to contribute to make others leader like them. So with this, I think let's conclude today's edition of mock interview or interview preparation session. Joel, if you have any further announcement, you can do announce and take honor to conclude this event.
Thank you everyone for coming in and joining with us. So let's wrap it up. Nothing more to add. If you have taken some essence from our leaders, our mentors, please, we are not asking you to pay for this. We are asking you to take the word to the next person or a few others around you. So that's part of it. Like when you learn something, it's also your moral responsibility to give it to others, spread it to others. So there is something which exists like this, so you have to spread it to others. Spread the share the link with others, ask them to register, and we will be inviting them one by one, looking into their profile. Okay, so I hope it's good to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's wrap it up. Yeah.
Thanks
Bye.
everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kiran ma'am, Bandhan ma'am. Thank you, Darshan sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, Joel.
Bye bye. Take
Thank you. Bye bye.
care.
Take care.